Miss Keisha here and Kelly Douglas to talk a little bit about this amazing project or summer camp, summer program that you guys do annually, but we've got a new addition to it. But first, let's just start with the basics. So you tell us what's going on this summer.
Definitely. So it's our M.A.D.D, M.A.D.D, STEM scientist program. So that stands for Motivational, Adventurous, Determined, and Destined STEM scientists. That's what we're creating here. And this is our 5th year.
Yes.
So originally it was to open disadvantaged communities to more STEM, so more innovation, different perspectives. Now it's about let's just get everyone in, because that's what our world is, a collection of different people coming from different socioeconomical backgrounds, different cultures, and let's get kids excited about science and STEM.
And we're looking at the video from all of those activities and things that you guys do in the summer, and they clearly are having a good time. And Kelly, you are an example of that. You were, you participated in the program, and now you help. You're working it. You're helping. So tell us a little bit about your journey.
So I started off as a camper. From 6th grade into 7th grade, I was a camper, and last year I was a STEM ambassador, where I help students. It was my transition year, so I was still a camper, but I was transitioning into being a worker. And this year, I'll be working with Miss Keisha.
Yes, I love it. So for someone who's like interested in signing up the program, what was your favorite part, or what did you like the most, or what did you learn? Like, what do you have to say to somebody trying to sign up?
I liked how every week there were different activities. Like one week it was chemistry, another week it was culinary arts, and we just expanded on what we didn't know before. And so you're hearing, he said 1 week this, 1 week this. This isn't just like a day program.
No, it's a 3-week program, and each week we dive into a different type of science. So we have engineering, we have chemistry, we have biology. So it's exposing the kids to that and then giving them a path forward. So it's Reynolds Community College has opened up their doors to us to bring the kids to their synthetic cadaver. Historically, we also give them a path forward. So after you finish our program, where can you go? So he's currently at Cristo Rey Richmond, and that's one path forward that information we gave to him, where he's now interning at St. Francis.
Look at that!
So it's a really good program.
So okay, so someone at home that's watching, they're like, okay, I want to sign my kid up. Let's start with the age range for the regular.
Oh yes. So we just opened up a smaller division too, called the Little M.A.D. Sciences Camp. So that's rising 1st graders to 2nd graders, and then the regular M.A.D. Scientist STEM program is for rising 3rd graders all the way up to 10th graders. If you're a 10th grader, you come in as a STEM ambassador. We help you get those high school voluntary hours as well as job readiness skills.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So we really have to give a shout out to Ephesus Seventh-day Adventist Church, Ephesus Junior Academy. They donated the space, donated like a little over $6K to the program. So the goal is so that everyone could participate. So we have different tiers of payment. It spans from $0 to $185. We just want to make sure that no camper is left behind.
That's beautiful.
Doesn't matter what you make, because you could be a middle-class family, but you got bills, right?
Yes.
It's like, I don't really have, $200 per week for a summer camp program. Okay, no worries, come. If you can pay $25, $50, $0. If you can pay the $185, great. But if you can't, that's great too.
That's great too. So what if someone is at home and said, I just want to donate to this amazing cause? How do they go about doing that?
Oh, definitely. Go to our website, acewallscholars.org. You go to the donation tab, and then it'll be tax deductible. And just donate whatever you can. We're here to expose our children to more STEM, so we can have greater innovation, greater perspectives that will help us all.
And we can do it. So there's all of the information there on your screen. That same website will take you to help you sign up as well, right?
Yes, definitely.
All right, and remember, there's also a little M.A.D. STEM scientist program as well for those little ones. So go check them out. We'll be back with more 12 About Town today.